Well, here we are on the top of Observation Hill for the first time since Windfly, I think. It's the last time I was up here. It's a beautiful day. There's hardly any wind. That's Erebus you're looking at right over there. The active volcano. That's about 25, maybe 30 miles that direction. There's mcmurdos down there. Just a little town. I can't believe I spent the last month and a half mostly just in the teeniest little area where 155 is the largest building down there, and kind of just beyond that are the only places I've really gone for the last month and a half. Pretty weird. Oh shit, there's a plane taking off. Hell yeah. There's one of the C-130s headed for the pole right there. I can't believe I didn't see that. Hells yeah. I really hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna take a picture of it before it goes to